Experience a spiritually uplifting Ramadan on Eman Channel with a lineup of inspiring and engaging shows. Join Mufti Menk, Sheikh Umar Suleiman and other esteemed speakers as they share wisdom to strengthen our faith and deepen our connection to Islam.
Whether you're Muslim, Christian, Jew, whatever, atheist, we don't debate that death would not occur.
For the little ones, we have a variety of exciting programs, from animated series to Quran competitions designed to educate and entertain. And for some light-hearted fun, enjoy our selection of cooking shows, game shows and comedy programs.
How hard is teaching really going to be though, bro? The little kids.
Don't miss out this Ramadan. Tune in to Eman Channel and be inspired, entertained and spiritually enriched.
It is what can change your decree, your qadar.
Eman Channel, your #1 Islamic media hub.